Jason, if you could give one piece of advice to a business person, to a founder, from your wealth of history, even including your grunge rock, what would that one piece of advice be, do you think?
Yeah, great question. So, one piece of advice I would want to give to business owners, I'm definitely leaning into my West Coast side here now where I'm thinking of this advice. And it's a little bit about what we've talked about here. But my advice to business owners would be to focus, to follow your heart, to follow your passion, to focus on the heart side, as opposed to focusing on the money and then figuring out how do I get to that money. Focus on the value that you're bringing the world, that your business is bringing the world, knowing that the money will follow the value. That would be my biggest piece of advice. It's a little bit of a sort of a similar also advice of what is referred to as Zen or Zen advice, which is the law of attachment. So the second that we let go of attachment to something is the moment that we receive it. And I've experienced this countless times in my career where I deeply, desperately wanted something, whatever that thing was, a gig or a job or this or that. And you can obsess on it so much that you lose sight of the value that you're trying to bring the world. And you can get overly, I think, absorbed with your own needs. I want money. I want money for me and my family. And those are important needs. That's what business is for, is to make money, but it's also there to help our country and transform the world. And so I think that would be my advice, is as much as you can stay focused on the value itself that you bring people, regardless of how much money it's going to make. The more you can do that, it's kind of counterintuitive, the more money will actually follow that value.
Yeah, I can definitely get behind focusing on the value because, gosh, you've seen it so many times where a brand gets really big, they reduce their quality in an effort to increase their profit, and they lose it all. So I think
Right.
that that's a great topic. Thank you very much.
Yeah, absolutely. My